వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు ఎస్కే ట్యుటోరియల్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈరోజు వీడియోలో మనం సీటెట్ 2018 మోడల్ పేపర్లోని ఈవీఎస్ సబ్జెక్ట్ సంబంధించినటువంటి క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్స్ని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేద్దాం. ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీలో ఎవరైనా నా ఛానల్ని ఫస్ట్ టైం చూస్తున్నట్లయితే నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. పక్కన ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. బెల్ ఐకాన్ని క్లిక్ చేయడం వల్ల నేను డైలీ పెట్టే వీడియోస్ అనేవి మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్గా వస్తాయి. క్వశ్చన్: which is the most relevant to the midday meal time in school? Right answer is option 4. It is for children who come empty stomach to school. Number 62. What does learning without burden in the context of environmental studies imply? Right answer is option 2. Less weight of school bag. Next question, number 63. What purpose does group learning serve in EVS classroom? Right answer is option 4. To inculcate values of cooperation and working together to enable each child participate actively and learn. Next question, number 64. What is the full form of BALA? Right answer is option 4. Building as learning aid. Next question, number 65. What does alternative frameworks mean? Question number 65. What do alternate frameworks mean? Right answer is option 3. Alternative frameworks means ideas that differ from the formally accepted explanation of the concepts. Next question, number 66. Women are weaker than men. It is a stereotype. Next question, number 67. What is the location of Jammu and Kashmir and Goa with respect to Bihar in India? Right answer is option 4. North, west and south west. Next question, number 68. Under which of the following conditions will the process of evaporation be slowest? Right answer is option 1. Both surface area and temperature decrease. Next question, number 69. The ability to understand relative position of places, distance and directions is. Right answer is option 3. Mapping skills. Which national curriculum framework recommended environmental studies to be taught as an integrated curricular area at primary level? Right answer is option 4. NCF 2000. Which region has the practice of shifting cultivation in India? Right answer is option 2. Northeastern region. Which one of the following statements is not true for hydropower generated from river dams? Right answer is option 2. Dams encourage sustainable growth. Next question, number 73. Which of the following is or greenhouse gas? Right answer is option 4. All of these. Carbon dioxide, water vapor and methane are greenhouse gases. Next question, number 74. Why are cold deserts in India not affected by the monsoon? Right answer is option 1. Cold deserts are at a very high altitude. Option 3. Cold deserts lie in the rain shadow of the Himalayas. Right answer is 1, 3. Next question. Which one of the following is responsible for turning Taj Mahal yellow? Right answer is option 3. Sulfur dioxide. Who built the Golconda Fort? Right answer is option 4. Kakatiya dynasty. What is the mass of object with a density of 15 gram per milliliter and volume of 3 milliliters? Formula for mass. Mass is equal to density into volume. 15 gram milliliter into 3 ml. 15 into 3, 45 grams. Mass is 45 grams. Right answer is option 3. Next question, number 78. Which one of the following is scalar quantity? Right answer is option 2. Mass is scalar quantity. Next question number 79. An object in which no light rays can pass through is called. Right answer is option 2, opaque. Next question number 81. The rate of dissolution of solute depends on. Right answer is option 3, temperature. Dissolution of solute depends on temperature. Sushma wants her students to be sensitized for conservation of trees. Which one of the following is the most suitable strategy to do so? Right answer is option 1, helping children to adopt and nurture a plant. Next question number 83. Abhay asked his students to do survey in groups on decreases that people in their neighborhood suffered from. The survey is not mentioned in the textbook. Which option is not relevant for this teaching learning strategy? Right answer is option 4. It enabled children understand data handling and work together. Next question number 84. To talk about emergency situations, Priya asked children experiences when they faced any emergencies. Children narrated their experiences with fire, electric shock and road accidents. She asked questions, assessed their existing understanding and discussed safety aspects using resources such as road safety advertisements from the newspapers, and also use LPG and electric bills to discuss safety guidance on fire and electric shock respectively. Which is the most appropriate approach that Priya employed? Right answer is option 4, inquiry approach. Next question. Community is an important teaching and learning resource because. Right answer is 4. It is provides learning opportunities in real settings. It is provide learning opportunities in real setting. Next question number 86. In EVS teaching learning, linking classroom learning to life outside school and enriching it implies. Right answer is option 2, linking textbooks to global environmental issues and concerns. Next question. In class 3rd, students Rama taught that a father, mother and their children constitute nuclear family and its grandparents and other relevants stay along. It is extended family. What do you think of this? Teaching learning approach is not inclusive. Next question. Which of the following are activities in EVS classroom? Right answer is option 4. Use of blackboards, picture reading, field visits. All are activities in EVS classroom. Next question number 18. Environmental studies curriculum may lead to holistic learning of children if it is. Right answer is option 4. All of these. Thematic, integrated and inclusive. Next question. The EVS textbook has chapter on snake charmer. It is intended to make children aware and to be sensitized. Right answer is option 4. The snake charmers may not harm snakes and they need to be provided with alternative before depriving them of their livelihood.